Hey there traders, this is Steve Miley for FX Explained, and another one of our regular macro watches looking at the main geopolitical, central banks and macroeconomic events impacting markets right now. Well, critically in here, stocks surging last week on the US-Sino deal and Brexit trade deal hopes in here. All of that is coming together to signal a more positive tone for the global economy and sending stock markets higher. So first of all, we had the Brexit negotiations going to a new level. The Irish and the UK governments coming together, and it seems that a deal was possible to be made. That happened on Thursday, and then further progress on Friday between the UK and the EU. That sent the pound surging higher against the dollar in here from 122 up to 127 Thursday through Friday, a huge move higher. And then we also had on the back of this as well, not on the back of this, at the same time as this, we had the US and China coming together and putting a phase one preliminary partial trade deal together. Again, seeing as a very much a risk on scenario in here, sending global stock markets higher. Here you see a surging rally Thursday through Friday from the S&P 500. What else has been going on? Well, something that the market's kind of pushing to one side and overlooking right now has been the potential impeachment of President Trump. The inquiry continues to gather pace, and this looks like it's going to dominate proceedings as we go through into October, through the latter part of this year and potentially beyond. Moving on, we've also had some conflict between Turkey and Syria in here, on the Turkey-Syria border. At the moment, not impacting on global financial markets too much in here, but that could escalate and things could impact more. The main move we've seen is a weakening of the Turkish lira, and here you see dollar Turkey pushing noticeably higher up to a 4-month closing high in here for dollar Turkey. That's a weakening of the Turkish lira. Looking ahead into this week, yes, we have all our normal macroeconomic outlook, and we're going to take a look at that shortly on the data front. But we also have Wall Street earnings, Q4 earnings reports for Q3 kicking off in earnest this week with the financials and the banks. So we're watching out for those this week. And what do we have on the data front? Well, Monday, the IMF and World Bank meeting, which starts all week. We have Chinese trade data Monday. The RBA, Reserve Bank of Australia, meeting minutes on Tuesday alongside Chinese consumer price index. Also the UK employment report and the German ZEW survey. Wednesday sees UK inflation, US retail sales, Canadian inflation data. The EC summit on Brexit starts Thursday through Friday. And Thursday we also get the Australian employment report and UK retail sales. And alongside the finishing off of that EC summit on Brexit, we also get Chinese GDP on Friday. I'm going to wish you all a great trading week. So traders, don't forget to catch us on the next FX Explained Macro Watch and all the great content on fxexplained.co.uk.